Here's a step-by-step guide on how to monetize Instagram Reels. To begin, open your Instagram app and navigate to your profile by tapping the icon at the bottom right of your screen. Then, click on the menu icon. 3 horizontal bars at the top right of the screen. From the menu, scroll down and select Account Type and Tools, located under the For Professionals section. Next, choose the option to switch to professional account. Follow the prompts, clicking Continue, and fill out details such as your user category, e.g., blogger, artist, digital creator. For this example, select Digital Creator. Once you've chosen your category, you'll be asked whether you'd like to register as a creator or business. Select Creator and proceed by entering optional details. Like professional emails, you can skip steps like linking to the Account Center, if preferred. After completing the account setup, follow the guided steps such as verifying your account, introducing yourself, completing your profile, and exploring available tools to grow your reach. Once all setup steps are complete, exit by clicking the X at the top left. Now, to check your monetization status, access the menu again via the top right icons and navigate to Creator Tools and Controls. Locate the Monetization Status option, which indicates whether your account qualifies for monetization. If it doesn't, you'll find helpful prompts that explain areas of improvement, such as adhering to Instagram's partner monetization policies. If any violations are detected, you can request a review after addressing the issues. Ensure your account complies by meeting Instagram's requirements, including having an authentic profile, an established presence, and a sufficient number of followers. Completing these steps and resolving any flagged issues increases your chances of monetization approval. Additionally, if you wish to promote your content further, you can use the Boost Post feature. Go to any post on your profile, select Boost Post, and configure Add Payments. Paid promotions can help increase your reach and visibility on Instagram. By following these steps and maintaining an active and authentic presence on the platform, you'll be better equipped to monetize your Instagram Reels successfully.